All right, welcome to question number 41 from the 2014 Math 7 SOL test. This question has that gray direction bar at the top, so we always begin by reading those directions. It says to click on a location above each bar to show the bar height. So if this were an actual SOL test, this would be an interactive histogram, and we would actually click on a location to create a bar or bars in this histogram. But since this is just a sample video, I'm just going to kind of draw my bars in here instead of clicking and a bar appears. So let's see what we have as far as the question goes. It says Scott recorded the low temperatures in Richmond each day for 10 days. Okay. So the list shows the temperatures in degrees Celsius. So the first day it was 8 degrees, the next day it was 12, then 11, then 9, and so on and so forth. We need to create a histogram of this set of data. No problem. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create our 7 to 8 degree bar and determine how many days when Scott measured the temperature, how many of those days was the temperature either 7 or 8 degrees. And as I look through this list, I only see one of them, and it's right here. So I'm going to go ahead, let me go ahead and get my pen. I'm going to go ahead and cross it off and draw a bar height. And I can even color that bar in, maybe, if it lets me. See if I can use the bucket to color that in. No, that didn't work. I can get my pen, though, and sort of pretend to color it in. So there is our bar height for the first bar in our histogram. Now we're looking for the next bar, which represents the temperatures between 9 degrees and 10 degrees. So how many days had a temperature between 9 or 10 degrees? Well, I see 1, I see 2, I see 3. So the bar height for that set of data would go up to 3. So my bar would look something like that, and of course I would shade that bar in. All right, how about the number of days when the temperature was either 11 degrees or 12 degrees? Well, I've got a one here, I got another one here, I got another one here, and I got another one here. That's a total of 4 of those, and that's in a nice bright blue. So my bar will go all the way up to the height of 4, and I have one more bar to make. That was when the temperature was either 13 degrees or 14 degrees, and it looks like I have 2 of those. And get the color, draw my bar with a height of 2, color it in, and our graph should look something like that. Pretty simple problem to do if you just take your time. Don't lose track of what you have. I suggest you cross them out as you use them in your data so that you know every single temperature has been accounted for. When you go back and look now, you can notice that every single one has been crossed off, so I've used every temperature, and I'm good to go. Okay, hope this helped with creating histograms. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Thanks for watching.